Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be start with brand new series on Java interview questions which will be more on scenario based, and I will show you demonstration as well with example in Eclipse how we can write that. So the requirement in the interview is given like they given a one list which contains the names and the requirement what we need to be done. We need to be sort that list using comparator or any other way you want to go, and it should be have than 5 characters list to be sorted. Less than 5 character name should not be sorted or should not be come in the list, and we need to done using Java 8. So hope you can understand this requirement. Now, without wasting time, let's move on Eclipse. We can see the directly with example. Okay, so what I have done, I define one names with the help of static array list. So you can see I define certain names, and here you can simply see Eric is 4 character, Vyom is 4 character. So this should not become in the list. So what we can do, we can just filter. There is a filter method in Java 8. We can filter the names. Okay, it should be greater than 5, and once it's a filter, we can sort that list simply and then iterate on that final list, so it become a terminal operation, right? So we have intermittent terminal. Hope you guys are aware with this. So let me run this program. Okay, so you can see the Eric and Vyom is limited from the list and it's sorted. So if interview given different way, just change the condition. So in this case, only we should have output Eric and Vyom. Eric should become first as per sorted manner. Yeah. So you can see. Hope you guys these questions. I will come few more interview scenario based questions soon, and I don't want to create a big video. That's why I'm creating 1 or 2 questions along with their examples. Hope you like this, and thank you guys. See you in next